Hello, it is Nelson, and I am back again here with another cooking video. Yes, why do I have this avocado, you ask? Well, what do you make with an avocado? A lot of things, actually. But I'm going to take this avocado, and I'm going to make some guacamole with it. But that comes later, because first, I'm making some chicken tacos. So let's get those veggies together and zoom on the avocado. So the veggies I'm going to use are an orange bell pepper, half an onion, and a yellow bell pepper. Also, I'm going to have some serranos for a little spicy kick. So let's get to cutting these peppers in half, digging them out. I'm only going to use half of both the bell peppers because, technically it's one whole bell pepper. And I don't want to hear you guys dissing me on my chopping techniques, okay? I'm no professional chef. I'm just a guy who does really good in his kitchen at home and anybody else's kitchen. No professional chef, though. But I mean, hey, if you want me to cook you dinner, I'm not against it. But anyway, yeah, let's get to chopping up these vegetables here. I like to use a lot of vegetables in my chicken tacos because I don't like to use cheese on my tacos. I'm not a big cheese guy on tacos. Burritos, yeah. But my tacos, I like to keep them real fresh, and so I use a lot of veggies. So I've got those bell peppers cut up, and now I'm going to put those aside and move on to the onion. I'm going to cut up this onion here. I'm only using half an onion because for this one dish, you can still get a lot of stuff. You can get a lot of onion and a half an onion. And that's why I'm just using half an onion. Look at all that onion I'm getting. Look at all that onion I'm getting from just half an onion. So why would I use a whole onion? I don't need to. That'd be too much onion for this dish. Now, I'm going to cut up a couple of serranos so it can give it that spice, that thing that's going to really wake you up, open up those nasal passages. Umami, or whatever that means. Got my veggies cut. So now, it's time to move on to the chicken. Get that in a bowl and start seasoning it with some black pepper. Look at that. And then some garlic salt. I prefer Lowry's, that's just me. After that, we're going to put in some paprika. And then your usual run-of-the-mill taco seasoning that you can get from any grocery store. And we're going to layer more chicken onto that. And season it the same way with the garlic salt and the black pepper, the paprika, and the taco seasoning. And now the fun part, because I get to put my hands in it. Yeah! And so you're really gonna just spread it around, get the seasoning all over the chicken, get it all over the place. Yeah, get it all over the place. Yeah. I'm gonna go wash my hands now. And I'm gonna wrap up this chicken so I can throw it in the fridge for a little while and let it marinate. So all those seasonings can really soak into that chicken a bit, so I don't have to throw any more seasonings onto it after I put it in the pan. So let's throw it in the fridge. Look at my hands, they're passing the time. And then look at that, it's ready. Let's unwrap it. And look at that. All those juices and all that seasoning. Wait for the sizzle, baby. Ooh, that's good stuff. So we're gonna put that chicken in there on some medium heat. So we don't wanna cook it too fast or overcook it. We really wanna go ahead and get those juices just flowing out of that chicken, get it marinating in that seasoning. And now it's time to add the vegetables.
Slow-mo veggie corn.
So now the veggies are in there, let's mix it all up. Let's get those veggies all mixed in with the juices and seasoning from that chicken. Get it all in there. Also cook down those veggies a little bit. Oh man, my mouth is watering just looking at this. I'm pretty hungry. Okay, remember that avocado from before? Time to turn it into some guacamole. Here we go. Bow! Woo, look at that. It's guacamole now. No, it's just an open avocado that I threw some onions and peppers over and put a little garlic salt on. And now I'm gonna start mashing it up. But I'm not really that good at mashing, so I'm going to let my mom take over. Let her mash up these avocados. Look at that. She's got the skill and precision of an expert masher. She's a master masher. So I may have overseasoned that avocado a little bit, maybe. Or guacamole. So she's gonna add another half of an avocado, because you can never have too much guac. I don't care what they say. Let's move that over a little bit. I don't care what they say. You can never have too much guac. So let's smash it up. Master smasher right there. That looks good. Now let's dip a chip. It's pretty good. Oh, look at that. That chicken, it's been simmering in the seasonings with those veggies. It's just simmering in those juices. Whew. Simmer down now. Simmer down now. Let's plate it. Got these guac chips and chicken tacos. Yeah. Look at how fresh that looks. It's good. No cheese needed for this stuff. So yeah, remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on those notifications. This has been Food